grief.
I like your witch costume, Lisa.
I'm not a witch. I'm a Wiccan. Why is it when a woman is confident and powerful, they call her a witch? What'd you say, Mom?
Nothing. I'm practicing my trombone. So, what are you wearing to the Halloween party, Millhouse? I'm not going to the party. I'm going to the pumpkin patch to wait for the Grand Pumpkin. That means you kids have fun.
What's the Grand Pumpkin?
Every Halloween, the Grand Pumpkin visits all the pumpkin patches in the world and brings candy to kids who truly believe.
Millhouse, for the last time, I made that up to mess with you. The Grand Pumpkin isn't real.
I appreciate you testing my faith, Bart, but it's not necessary. I believe in the Grand Pumpkin, Almighty Gourd, who was crucified over Pontius' pie plate and ascended into oven. He will come again to judge the filling and the bread. Sigh. You've all come to wait for the Grand Pumpkin with me. Who wants to sing pumpkin carols?
I've got a pumpkin carol for you. You are such a stupid moron. It makes people want to punch you. The Grand Pumpkin super gay. Punch, 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 wedgie.
Your God is wrong.
Let's get to the Halloween party. I want to hit the apple tank before all the Granny Smiths are bobbed out.
Lise, you coming?
I think I'll stay with Millhouse. His glasses fog up when he cries.
More Granny Smiths for me.
Lisa, wake up! He's here!
What? The Grand Pumpkin is here?
No, I'm rehearsing what I'm gonna say when he shows up. He's here. He's here. He is here.
You owe me restitution!
If he sees us fighting, he might not come. Grand Pumpkin, I know you're real. Why won't you show yourself?
Happy Halloween!
The Grand Pumpkin! You are real!
That's right, Millhouse. Your childlike belief has brought me to life.
I knew you'd come. I even baked you a loaf of homemade pumpkin bread.
Oh, how delightful. Bread made especially for pumpkins.
Actually, it's made from pumpkins.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Revenge!